Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I wanted to share with you what my daughter put together for my twin granddaughters for Christmas. Did she not do an awesome job with this DIY project she put together? I was so impressed by it. I just had to share it with you all. I love this reindeer key. Is it not the beautiful you've ever seen? I just love it so much. This is the Santa Magic Key. This key is very special. You see, it will not work for you or me. Hang it just outside your door. Go to bed, worry no more. Close your eyes tight, and Santa will coming tonight. It was such a great idea, and she put this cute little elf with it too. The twins put the elf in the playroom to watch over the children, to see who's naughty or nice. Thought it was such a clever idea. Oh, I know the girls really appreciate all the things that they are getting for Christmas. Alyssa, my one granddaughter, decided to bake a lot of chocolate chip cookies today. As you can see, they look so yummy, yum, yum. I really enjoyed them. I ate too many, but they were so good, I couldn't help myself. She's such a great little cook also. I thought she did such a great job. And then my daughter brought over these beautiful cookies to go with the chocolate chip cookies. Are they not beautiful? She is the prettiest one in this family. Look at how beautiful those cookies look. So custom made, I couldn't believe it. See how the snowflakes look and they glisten so beautifully. And of course, the snowman is so beautiful too. I love all the Mickey Mouse cookies that she put together and decorated. They were so beautiful, I couldn't believe how great they all looked. You can see everything glittering on those snowflakes, and the snowman looks like it's a little wet hole outside. And of course the trees with the little miniature candy canes on it, and the Mickey Mouse heads are so beautifully decorated by my daughter. I couldn't believe all the time and effort she put into decorating these beautiful cookies for the family. She is such an creative person with everything she does, and she works very hard. She is such an awesome, sweet person. I just wanted to share what she did. Now Cynthia went out and got all these beautiful custom-made cookies made also. Are they not the cutest things you've seen? Look at how much detail are on these cookies. I couldn't believe this is really a cookie video, isn't it? All these awesome custom-made cookies that have been bought and my daughter has made and my granddaughter has made. They're all so pretty. And of course, they had to get custom-made cookies with the grandbabies' names on them. Just love them so much. They also do such an awesome job getting ready for Christmas this year. Couldn't believe how pretty everything looked. And of course, those cookies that my daughter made for the grandchildren and great-grandchildren were the cutest thing of all, weren't they? Well, let me know what you think of the cookies. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy.